Good morning, troopers. Today we are hiking the Rainforest Trail. Rainforest Trail has two parts. The Rainforest Trail A is on that side right there of the highway, and the Rainforest Trail B is on this side. Each of the trail has 1 kilometer each of the loop, and it's just an easy it's not even a hike, guys. It's just a nature walk pretty much, but like according to reviews, it's actually pretty amazing. I haven't here before, so I hope it's worth it. And one more thing is, like, if you come to this park reserve, you have to pay for a reserve fee or something like that. Park pass. Right now we paid $21 for 2 adults for the whole day, pretty much till 4 o'clock. So remember to pay for the pass, the park pass, and display it on your car, on the dashboard. Anyways, guys, see you in a bit. Just finished walking the Rainforest Trail Route B. Right now we're on our way to the Route A, which is across the road. We are now going to walk on the Rainforest Trail Route A. The features of the Rainforest Trail A and Route B are these really old cedars. They're hundreds and hundreds, maybe 1,000 years old, guys. They're really big and huge. Look at it, like they're all over the park. So it's really nice to, as you walk along, you'll be passing them. It's beautiful in here, you guys. troopers, that concludes our walk on both Rainforest Trail Route A and Route B. Troopers out.